Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. The new episode of Know Your Crypto is here. Today we'll talk about the Sandbox. Let's roll. The Sandbox is a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experiences. Basically, the Sandbox is a metaverse that runs on Ethereum. What is Sand? Sand is a functional token of the Sandbox platform. It performs several functions. Voting rights. Sand holders can vote and make important decisions on the site. Creation and exchange of content. Tokens are required to use the creator tools, as well as to purchase objects, locations, and other content. Liquidity mining. Token holders can stake them in the Sandbox pool and receive a reward as a part of the commission. Access to games. You can use Sand as a payment method in order to get access to locations and content created by players. Where did the Sandbox come from? The project was created by the game studio Pixowl in 2011. The main developers of the project are Arthur Madrid and Sebastian Bourget. At first, Sandbox was a mobile game for iOS and Android. In 2012, the Sandbox got its first award as the Best App of the Year by Apple. During 2016 to 2017, it received major partnerships including DreamWorks and Bandai Namco. Since then, the Sandbox project been going only all the way up. On the official website, the future roadmap spreads up to 2023. The team has very big plans. The Sandbox aims to make a lot of new partnerships, and many other fresh ideas and special features are expected. What are the advantages of the Sandbox? Proof of stake. POS consensus mechanism allows users to stake and earn rewards from keeping the Sand token in their wallets. POS consensus mechanism is also unpretentious in terms of electrical and computing power needed to validate transactions on the platforms. NFTs. The operation of NFTs allows users to keep their tokens in a decentralized manner and thus making the Sandbox interoperable blockchain, where NFTs can be used across different games. NFTs can also be traded on the native Sandbox marketplace or wherever else. Play to earn. Play to earn functionality gives users of the platform the possibility to earn Sand tokens through playing, creating, or interacting with the Sandbox's universe. What are the disadvantages of the Sandbox? Strong competition. Every day, the crypto and blockchain industry is evolving and developing, creating more competition. The gaming blockchain-based platforms are not an exception. To sum up, the Sandbox is one of the best crypto projects that works on creating metaverse. The Sandbox already has implemented NFT on the Polygon blockchain into its metaverse and plans to bring the metaverse to mobile devices, PlayStation, and Xbox. The project is supported by well-known companies like SoftBank, Slack, Uber, and many celebrities including Snoop Dogg, Steve Aoki, deadmau5, and others. Analytics believes that the Sandbox has a bright future. We hope this video was useful and helps you to understand the Sandbox project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.